The Seattle Aquarium recently hosted its 4th annual Family Science Weekend. Event manager Becky Bingham tells us more.
It's a very special event to us because it's bringing the science to people that don't normally think about science as something that is fun. They think of science as a big, scary word, and our goal is to really get people from all over, University of Washington, NOAA, and our own scientists to be able to showcase that what they do is fun and exciting and that anyone can be a scientist.
The event spans a large portion of the aquarium and is filled with fun demos and activities.
This weekend we have a lot of fun exhibits focusing on both the science that we do here at the aquarium as well as some outside exhibits that talk about rockfish. We have a special remote operated vehicle or ROV exhibit.
Researchers from all over came to take part in the event.
We have several from NOAA, both at Sandpoint and Alaska NOAA Fisheries. We've also had the University of Washington oceanography students, the Applied Physics Lab, been able to join us, and we have a group from King County that does water monitoring coming as well.
Here, UW Professor Fritz Starr shows off an ROV or remote operated vehicle in one of the aquarium tanks. The vehicle is controlled by a nearby driver and has a camera that broadcasts footage to a large screen. In the next room, visitors may build and operate their own ROVs. Another station teaches children about plankton by having them build models and see how they sink or float in water. UW graduate student Jason Miller manned this informative table on ocean acidification and its effect on marine wildlife.
We talk a lot at the table about how CO2, or any gas for that matter, can mix in the surface layer of the ocean. But we also have the pH bit of our table where we try and show kids, that water has a higher pH than lemon juice, those kinds of things.
With Family Science Weekend, the Seattle Aquarium hopes to get kids excited about science and teach them about ocean conservation. So far, they have been very successful.
Because it's exciting. It's fun to teach folks, to have their eyes show an understanding of what you're conveying. It's satisfying.
We're extremely happy. We've had really good attendance and we've had a lot of kids very excited about science and just getting involved and learning that it's easy to do science. Unfortunately, it's one of the more ignored topics in our society today, and we're just glad to be able to get kids excited about it again.
The Seattle Aquarium is an active and important part of our community. Be sure to look out for other events.